Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and my name is Ali, and today we are going to make amazing Photoshop mockup for your logo. In last video we learned how you can make a professional logo and we created this logo in last video. If you don't watch this video, make sure you watch this video first. Now I give the link in the description of this mockup file. Click on the Photoshop and I export this logo in PNG form, and you can see here, click on OK. Now, you can see here the mockup logo and how you replace this with your image. Double click on this picture. I'm sorry. Double click on this and then click on OK, and here you can add your logo. Minimize this and put this logo in the Photoshop here like this, and hold the Alt key and adjust the logo what you need. Click on this tick option and hide this from this button, and then click on Ctrl S. Press Ctrl S, go to the main file and just a second, and now here you can see your logo mockup is ready for your WhatsApp DP. You can also add this on your WhatsApp, and you can also add this on your YouTube channel logo. You can also add some changings here like texture, and you can also edit some shadows here. You can remember that you can also uneye this first layer, and you can also change the colors of this logo in the Caldera, and I export this image as a PNG image. If you don't know how to export PNG image, watch my another tutorial in this channel. Now if you want to save this, click on file menu and now click on save as, and click on desktop and click here and choose the file format here. Now name this file. Now click on save here and now click on OK. Your file is saved on desktop as a JPG file. And that's in the today video. I'll show you how you can create mockup in your Photoshop of your professional and brand logo. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest and amazing interesting videos. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.